When I'm traveling, I'm always looking for design inspiration, and I've definitely found some here at the Fairmont, the Queen Elizabeth Hotel in Montreal. Just recently redesigned, the hotel was packed with inspiration. I love the floor-to-ceiling white penny tile and black grout. They paired it with a dark grass cloth wallpaper to really elevate the look. In the Royal Suite, there's a bookcase framed by a brass grid. This small detail really makes this built-in feel luxurious. There were so many great tile moments through the hotel, but this tile in the bar is spectacular. I love how the pattern tile is used to define the bar, kind of like an area rug. The artisan market in the Fairmont Hotel is a great example of how good design can make your everyday more exciting. Whether you're looking for dinner or a special gift, this market is a must-see for foodies.